totally recommend you joining the DentalWorld. This year, to me, it's fully packed. It's, I'm really impressed. I mean, it's an opportunity you cannot miss. Hi, first of all, it's a great pleasure and honor to be here. It's the first time for me in Budapest, and I took a few days off to enjoy your beautiful city. I'm impressed with the organization, I'm impressed with the facility. It reminds me of IDS, if honest, in Köln. It's an amazing dental show and a high level of lectures, lecturers, not only in endodontics, which I'm part of, but also in many disciplines. So I have two lectures. Today I'm talking about how innovations and technological innovations and strategies have changed the endodontics over the time and improved the long-term prognosis in endodontics. And on Saturday I have a second lecture about static and dynamic navigation, a hot subject, I think, a hot topic, what is happening right now in our discipline. If you really want to get a feel of what's happening right now in the industry, everybody's here, no matter the discipline, and also have the chance to be educated, get some sort of high quality lectures from top lecturers around the world. I think it's definitely a place to be here. I'm really impressed with the scale of it. Yeah, it's huge. It's a huge, great exhibition, but also the level of lectures. It would stand as an endodontic congress on its own, if honest. Well, I totally recommend you joining the DentalWorld. This year, to me, it's fully packed. I'm really impressed. I mean, it's an opportunity you cannot miss.